We know that people are a business's most important asset. But what system and processes do you have in place to support not just the operations, but the flow of your team culture? Have you considered what can happen to your team individually and collectively when you are preparing a transition of some type in your business? I've worked with several owners who started a transition process without a plan in place, and the misstep created an immediate impact on the trust and commitment of their team. So here's a critical tip. Create a communication rollout plan first. A simple, transparent, open plan to support the trust you and your team have in each other. Consider that including these things will help enhance your communication and ensure a success. Here's why. According to a recent Gallup research, they found that 2/3 of all employees are disengaged and 50% of the workforce is actively searching for a new job. So you really want to begin with background statements that include the mission of the business and how each team member is a critical contributor to the business success. In addition, including how this transition might really include developing your emerging leaders, as well as focus on delegation, innovation, and sharing in the process. Take time to invite open discussion and sharing perspectives. All team members want to know that they're being heard and their input is considered. When you grow an environment that employees want to be part of, you create a culture that people become committed to. Take time to craft a communication plan. It can mean the difference between an eroding or a thriving culture.